if you've seen the last video, huge mistakes on eBay. I just made a huge mistake.
Oh, yeah.
There's like 500 of my eBay items here on eBay. They're gone. So this is what we've decided to do. We opened a store here. The link will be in the description, along with the link to the video huge mistakes that I just mentioned. Anyway, so we're having trouble with, I think, categories. So check this out. I don't know if you can hear me or not over the heater. It's cold. It's like 15 degrees outside.
It's so cold. It's really cold.
So this is a couple of days after starting the eBay store, and I already ran into an issue. I don't know if it has to do with the categories or what, but this is the strangest thing. I'm listing, and I've listed a few items already, of course, putting some of these back. You'll know that I'm putting my inventory back into the store that I just opened, but right now it's showing that I have 250 listings, and I've listed at least 4 more items in the past few hours, and it still says I have 250 listings. So where the hell did they go? I have no idea. I don't know where they went. So let's try another listing and see if it changes. I'll show you on the computer. So I just listed, let's see if I go to my active listings, 250, which is what it was, I think, when I started. And I just listed a new item. Maybe it's on page 5. Sometimes it puts it to back, and I know there's probably a way to change that. Try not to make you dizzy here. Scroll down. Usually it's at the bottom. And it's not there. It was the black onyx sterling silver ring. Isn't that weird? So what I've discovered, if I go to categories here, let's try eBay categories. Let's just click that one and hit apply and see if it shows up. And still not there. Let's try the last page. Nope, still not there. Okay, so let's search for it here in the search bar. I know it's onyx, so we'll try onyx. See if we can find it. Nothing. Okay, so let's try ring. There it is, right here at the first one. See here where it's highlighted, sterling silver. So why isn't that showing up in my active listing screen? Doesn't make any sense, does it? Huh. I'll have to figure this out. I know that I may have to change the categories. Anyway, this is the ring. Pretty little ring. Sterling silver, black onyx. $24.99. Anyway, so I will look into this and let you know when I find out.